Hello, I'm still seeking more testers before I release the next version of the Obsidian Supernote integration. First feature I wanted to show off here is you can embed notes into your Markdown, like you might embed an image or a PDF. The next thing I wanted to show off was that I've added Atelier support, so you can import your SPD files and view them as you might any other image, but also you're able to, say, remove your reference layer if you want to look at a sketch you've done. The last thing is that the note viewer is way faster and includes a sort of PDF based renderer, so there's new features to be able to look at the different layers of the note, and zoom works as if a PDF, and you can search for the text.